In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GoDaddy website private. If you want to control who can view a page on your GoDaddy website, this is a simple setting you can turn on directly from your website editor. This is especially useful if you're working on a page that isn't ready for the public yet, or if you only want certain visitors to access specific content. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the products and services connected to your account, including your websites. Next, find the specific website you want to manage. Make sure you choose the correct one if you have more than one website in your account. Once you've selected the right website, click Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can manage pages and make changes to your site settings. After the editor loads, click on Website to access the area where your pages are listed. Here, you'll be able to see the pages that are currently part of your site. Find the specific page you want to make private. Beside that page, click the gear icon. This opens the settings for that individual page. From the menu that appears, click Page Settings. This is where you can adjust options related to that page, including its visibility and access settings. Once you're in Page Settings, look for the option that allows you to make the page private. You should see a toggle for Private Page. Turn that toggle on to make the page private. After enabling the private setting, take a moment to review the change and make sure it applies to the correct page. This is a good habit, especially if you're updating multiple pages on your site. If needed, save or publish your changes so the new privacy setting takes effect properly. And that's it. That's how to make a GoDaddy website page private. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If you're managing content that shouldn't be visible to everyone yet, this setting can be very helpful for keeping your site organized and controlled while you work.